These are 5 free banners that you can download and use for your own YouTube channel. Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ruben. I apologize if you guys hear some fireworks in the background. I'm recording this on July 4th, so bear with me. But I just have a couple of things I want to mention. The 5 templates that you guys are seeing here, they are free and you guys can use them. But if you happen to want a channel banner specifically for your YouTube channel, that includes the text, the graphics, everything. I am going to start offering to make these for you for $8. I will also begin to sell outros specifically for your YouTube channel. If you would like to contact me to purchase one of these, then I will have my business email down in the description below. I do want to mention though, I will only be taking PayPal at this moment. So it will be $8 for the outro and $8 for the channel banner. If you don't want to purchase any, these are still free to download and the links will be down in the description below. I'm still going to be trying to do 5 free templates weekly, so make sure you subscribe. Now, if you want to see the last 5 free templates that I've made, click on the top video link. If you want to see the last 5 free outros that I've made, click on the bottom video link.